Okay, now for today's lesson, I will teach you how you can use the game setting in Roblox Studio. Now, for the game setting is pretty much all that you need to do with the game or with the settings of the world or server that you are creating. Where, like here, you can add the the name of the world or server that you want. Like unlike me, I name my world as explosion testing because of the all of the explosion or the testing that I'm creating. And you can add a description of, say, all fun and enjoying free. You can use this description up to 1000 word. Communication is you can maybe involve a microphone or camera depending on you what you want to use. As for permission, you can make it as playability where you can only make it be played by your friends in Roblox, or you can make it public, or you can only make it private only to you. So monetization is by adding badge, or can use this as a private server, or can use a developer product where can create products that can either be bought online or can be used as a paid objects that the players can buy. Security is where, as you can see, it's allow where you can allow that only 13 plus age players can access this, and allowed third party teleports where some some players can be teleported to other games, and allowing, just like I said, purchase item by third parties where other people can sell or sell their items for money or Robux, and enable studio access APIs where the studio gives access to the game service as data store, and allow game server to issue request remote server where it allows players to make a request to the it allows the players to make a HTTP request. For the places is, as you can place version 144, name of the explosion testing, and how many players can join the world or server. Only 50 players. Localization part is by can change the language as much as you want, and capture automatic text capture where it captures the string from the game UI while user play or players play. It may take up another days to be localized in your game, and it also gives you the ability to allow Roblox to remove any state entries from the table that you localize. User translate content, enable translate content in game, automatic translation where, let's say, you are a Chinese player in China, and you join my world where it's already in English that I wrote. But when I enable this, when they join my world and their language in Roblox is China, then once they join the game, the all of the text, all of the words that are English will be translated into Chinese. Avatar. As for the avatar is by you can choose any type, but for the animation, vision, avatar type, and scale, you can make it height or width to the players that can choose that they want, or the avatars that they use where the head is only for 95%, and the world is by you can create where there's no gravity, and can make player jump high or jump low, and it's the jump power, You can make the player walk slow or walk fast, and slope where you can the angle of the mountains or the angle of the wall can be changed to a certain angle. As for others, just show you where you can shut down the server, where if you want kick all of the player and want to edit in the world or server in the studio, you can just shut down the player and force the player out of your game and enable Dropbox. It just used for script. Now I hope learn some to learn something on how can we use the game setting